Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we will learn about angle bisector. Construction of angles we were doing. So today's class is based on angle bisector. It's a line which divides an angle into two equal parts. It can be a line or a ray or a line segment. Any part of line or a line which divides the angle into two equal parts become an angle bisector, where bi means two, sector means equal parts. So let's take one angle here. I have taken one random angle without any measurement. So now I'll take my compass here. I'll put my compass on the vertex of the angle. I hope you all know what is the vertex of the angle, from where the two rays passes and forms an angle, and from there we will make an arc on both the starting from one arm, the initial arm, to the final arm. So like this, the way I have shown on the screen, I have made one arc. So from one point of the arm we will make one arc. From the other point of the arm, you can see the black dots where I'm putting the compass. Now I've got the bisector line from the vertex to the center of the bisector line. This is called the angle bisector. This line is particularly called the angle bisector. We have taken one angle, we have bisected it from both the ends, and that's how these two equal parts are formed. Now these two angles are equal. I am putting an arrow, I am writing that these two angles are two equal parts of the whole angle. Let's see one angle. Now what I'll do, I've taken a D. Now I'll make an angle of 80 degree just to show you how we will get 40 angles. So now this is an angle of 80 degree. You all know how to make an angle. I'll write here that it's an 80 degree angle roughly. Now I'll take my compass and we'll repeat the process. Let's make an arc from the vertex of the angle. So at the vertex of the angle, I'll put my compass from the initial arm to the final arm. I'll make an arc. And the rest of the process you know. From one corner of the arc, we make one arc in the center. From the other corner of the arc, we make another arc towards the center. So the intersection point will be joined with the vertex of the angle. Now I'll show you that whether we have got 240 degrees or not. Just check. Through D you can see that 40 degree angle, two equal parts have been formed. Our 80 degree has been changed to two equal parts of 40 degree and 40 degree. So this center blue line is called the angle bisector because it has bisected the 80 degree into two equal parts. Thank you for watching. I hope you have understood.